Curly Gulch Ranch is around 2,758 acres, and a little over half of that is in beautiful wildlife habitat with rolling hillsides, nicely covered with evergreens and multiple drainages fed with spring water and aspen trees. The ranch is comprised of 13 parcels with no conservation easement, and you have about 4 miles of Forest Service boundary back behind us here, creating an excellent sporting and recreational component to the ranch. During archery and rifle season, traditionally there's a couple hundred head of elk either on and or near the ranch, creating an unbelievable elk hunting opportunity. In addition to that, you have a great antelope population as well as black bear, mountain lion, and other species. There are 4 spring-fed trout ponds as well as Curly Creek running through the ranch, which creates an incredible natural waterfall just above the ponds. The improvements are all very clean and comfortable and in good repair. The main house is approximately 2,900 square feet. It sits above a 5-stall horse barn. In addition to that, there's a very nicely kept manager's house, as well as a 4,800 square foot storage shed and an indoor hay barn. From an agricultural perspective, the owners have traditionally ran about 125 cow-calf pair on the ranch year-round, moving through 7 different pastures. And in addition to that, there's a gravity-fed pivot that's covering about 90 acres. The elk and the wildlife don't have to look too far for water. In addition to the drainages fed with spring water, there are over 10 stock tanks that are very well watered on the ranch, including up into the higher elevations. The ranch has excellent and convenient access year-round. It's about 8 miles outside of the small town of Divide, Montana, and you're right in the heart of fly angling for southwest Montana. This ranch is approximately 7 miles from the famed Big Hole River. About 20 minutes from Butte and its commercial airport, 40 minutes outside of Dillon, Montana, hour and 15 minutes roughly to the Bozeman International Airport. The Curly Gulch Ranch is a beautiful and diverse piece of ground. It offers a lot of substance, particularly a very strong elk component, but also supports a small cattle operation in an excellent location here in southwest Montana.